making this because I'm pretty sure I'll be asked, so I might as well make a video while I'm in the process. Right, so what's it called? Yes, I'm actually crocheting my hair. Crochet, whatever, you know. Depends on who colonized you. So I'm using this you see, ooh, wait, you see it looks really curly, right? And I know some of you will be like, that's not your hair, but like it's really curly. So when you open it, it becomes really like bushy and like real natural hair. So I use number one is jet black. My hair, my natural hair, this is it, is jet black. So it makes complete sense, and it does look like my hair is just like longer than my actual hair, and I like switching it up. I like the natural hair look. Straight hair I had for 12 years, I'm good. So it's actually super long, but it shrinks right up. So I will have a video on how to maintain it and keep it like just juicy looking. This is a holiday hair. Well, not really holiday, but it's good for the cold season. We're in cold season. I know people like summer, like that bad. No, it's cold. It gets cold. So this is really good for that because it keeps you warm. So let me finish at least my whole head before I come back and show you the end result. I'm sure it will look so good. I'm so excited. Oh, I never showed you that, like the actual brand. It's called Yes Gal. No, Yes Gal or Gyal. Yes Gyal, like Gyal. They're trying to be Jamaican up in this joint, but it's okay. Let me finish this. It's already like 7. I'll probably finish at like 11. Only because I'm watching a movie on Netflix. But yeah, so that's just basically how I do it. I just forgot, I am fully aware that the video is like this and not like this, because I was thinking of putting this on my Instagram stories, but then I just changed my mind and I'll put it on both. So since most of you are watching YouTube like on a phone, this will not really affect the viewing. If you're watching it on a computer, Polestana, sorry. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you the removal process for this to this, just in case you think like, oh my god, like oh my goodness, it's like tangling up and whatnot. So but this is a janky video. I'm putting you, there you go. Okay, so right, it's like it's like this, so it has a little mini whatever. I don't remove that. I remove this first. It's cute or whatever, this thing. I feel like if you have kids, this will be so beneficial for you. For me, I do not know. Oops, I'm supposed to do this up here. Okay, you see it already tangles, and I've not even done much. So yeah. There we go. See, it's already a mess. It's a mess. There we go. So yes, so it's like this. I usually shake it loose because you don't know how it has been. Are you seeing this mess here? This here is what causes the frizz, which you want, but you don't want too much, because this hair is going to frizz up on your head on its own. So there you go. I've separated everything. No, and I separate quickly, so I go like I don't do it slowly. It's just going to be a mess. So yeah. There you go. See, it's out, but then it's, oops, where are you going? I'm telling you, these things, like it's a whole mess. There we go. Okay, fine. So it's like this. It's actually pretty long, but this is the center. So just imagine it here. it would look really okay. Like just imagine it here, it would look really cute, but I'll have after pictures anyway. So already it divides in half on its own. So I've already done it in half. I know there's noise, you people. My sister's trying to tell me, you know there's not. Yep, you are just going to deal with this. If you want this hairstyle, you will be. So yeah. So this is the half that automatically got out. And you see this one like wants to get out. You open it where it's supposed to. Don't try to hack your way through it. Don't. There we go. And here we are. So I'm actually going to put this whole thing on my head. I put it in big sections because the small ones it will just be a big big thing. No. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put this huge section here, and then you'll just keep on dividing it, and that's how you do it. Okay. And you guys know how to crochet on your head. If you don't, there are many videos out there that show. Because like I don't know, I can't, like I physically don't know how I'm going to show you this. So I'll just link a few videos, like the best crochet video I know on the internet, on YouTube, and I will, I'll link it in the description down below. So if you don't know now, you know. You guys, you could actually like charge people to do this for them. It's literally it's not difficult at all. It's just like time consuming if you're doing on your own. But yeah. Getting there, you guys, we're getting there. It's looking better and better. Onward we go. Okay, you guys, so oh, I'm not done yet. I'm left with like an empty patch here, but this is all one pack. So if you have a tiny head or you wanted them shorter and you would cut them, you only need one pack. So I'm going to open my second pack of hair. This is it. It's by Angels, my bad. Guess gal. So they say one pack multi-style, makes sense. I have a big head, I also like big hair, so I'm gonna do the second one, but I'll not finish it. So a pro tip: if you and your friend are going to do the same hairstyle, or your friend is going to do the hairstyle after you or before you, vice versa, you can split the price of the second pack if you want like this amount of hair, because there's no way I'm using all this. I'm probably using 2 or maybe 3. Not like yeah, but it's coming off well. By the way, can you see here? Like it's looking like it's mine. Yeah, like it's mine. So yeah, I'll just continue moving. I'm finally done. Thanks to some editing magic, you guys didn't have to sit for I don't know how long I took because I was distracted. So it's huge. Big. It seems that this side is more than this side, so I might top up, but we will see. But I feel like but I'm gonna trim the ends because they're, you see these lumps? Nah. Just like real hair, you'll have to trim this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll link a few like pictures so you will see how good it looks. Okay, no, I have to add here, obviously. So see you later. Don't forget to subscribe. I've completely forgotten what this shows you. I've not been on YouTube for so long. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Click the thumbs up. Stay safe, stress-free, and bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.